In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Gmail account to Microsoft Outlook. Comment atas. Hello, and welcome to this quick guide. If you find it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. We post new tutorials every day to make your tech life easier. We're using the easy, recommended method that lets Outlook and Google talk to each other securely, so there's no manual server setup to worry about. Before we start, make sure you're connected to the internet and that Outlook is already installed and up to date. First, open Outlook. From the main window, go to the File menu in the top left corner and choose Add Account. This is where you'll tell Outlook which mailbox you want to connect. When prompted, type your Gmail email address. Take a second to double-check for typos. Getting the address right here saves time later. Then click Connect. Outlook will reach out to Google, and in a moment, you'll see a Google sign-in window appear. That's normal, and it's part of the secure sign-in process. In that Google window, log into Gmail with your usual credentials. If you use two-step verification, you may be asked to confirm a code or approve a prompt on your device. Just follow what you see on screen. Always make sure the sign-in page shows Google's official address and security indicators before you enter any information. After you sign in, you'll be asked to approve permissions. This allows Outlook to access your mail, calendar, and contacts, and to send messages on your behalf. Approving these permissions is what enables Outlook to sync everything smoothly using Google's security